Footsteps echo in waltzing rhyme, velvet curtains, candlelight glow. The past breathes soft beneath the snow. 3 steps forward, 1 step back, history riding a modern track. A silent crown in the midnight air, Vienna whispers it's still there.
Cobblestone streets and electric trains, past and future share the same veins. Coffee house thinkers sketching fate in smoky rooms where legends wait. Marble angels over the square, you feel old royalty in the air. 100 years since the empire fell, but the city still remembers well.
Golden frames in subway light, Buick shadows in neon night. You change the flag, rewrite the law, but you can't erase what the city saw.
Hear the violins cry low, underneath the bassline flow. Every corner, every hall still hears the Habsburg call. It's an empire in the echo, a crown in the sound of the street below. Old kings walking where the young hearts go. Vienna never lets it go. It's a palace in the skyline glow. Past and future moving slow. 100 years, but we still know the empire's in the echo. The empire's in the echo. From palace gates to rooftop bars, crystal chandeliers, electric guitars, silken sneakers, lace and chrome. Every era finds its home. No more throne, but the culture reigns in subway art and window panes. They broke the chain, removed the ring, but couldn't silence everything.
1 foot waltz and 1 foot street, history dancing to trap drum heat. Carriage wheels to U-Bahn rails, different ships but the same old sails. Spin in circles, gowns in white, phantom dancers in the night. Powdered wigs and whispered names flicker softly in the flames.
She walks alone through mirrored halls, a restless heart in palace walls. Beauty wrapped in silent pain, dreaming of escape again.
Sissy shadow in the glass, watching centuries slowly pass. She never loved the golden cage, now a legend owns the stage. Independent, running wild, more than empire's fragile child. In every rebel soul you see a trace of her intensity. No crown, no throne, but the rhythm still royal. In the posture, in the tone, in the way the city moves. Rare tunes to boom bap classics, high culture meets dramatic tactics. Mozart mind with rebel flow, too refined but stealing the show. Flash of genius, sharp and bold, turning classical into gold. Opera grace with pop attack, that Amadeus energy back. From velvet halls to radio waves, living loud beyond the grave. Viennese cool, ironic glow, past and present steal the show. Vienna stone and steel in crescendo, past and present face to face. History wrapped in modern bass. No born is palace fades. Now footsteps echo, cameras rise, but you still feel the watching eyes. Through the arches, marble halls, tourists roam where power called. Boots once marched in strict parade, now street performers serenade. Cathedral towers cut the sky, Gothic shadows rising high. Every bell that starts to ring feels like crowning something king. Opera nights in velvet seats, where high art and heartbeat meet. Sopranos climb, the bass drops low, classic fire in modern glow. Golden paintings softly gleam, love is frozen in a dream. Art and empire intertwine, still alive inside the mind. Neon lights begin to spin, a giant wheel above the din. From imperial dust to laser flare, time just circles in the air. River flowing calm and wide, carrying centuries in its tide. Silver ribbon through the sea, binding what has